This is going to be an insanely simple Dollar Tree DIY using these two garden fence pieces to make a piece of wall art. I was really impressed with the garden fences this year. Instead of black, they came in a gray and they look like wrought iron. So I had an idea to put these two together to make a piece for my wall because I'm needing something, unfortunately not for here, but for this little piece of wall. And I thought that if we attach these two pieces together, it would make the perfect little farmhouse rustic decor that I was looking for. What are you two doing? She's grooming him. So let me show you how I attach these two pieces, how we took off these and the side pieces right here to make a really easy, simple piece of wall art that cost $2. What are you two doing? Quincy. Okay, the first thing that we needed to do was get rid of the pieces on the side. There's two on this side and then there's also two on the other side. So we just took a knife. Well, these pieces right here are going to pop right off, but the bigger piece needs to be scored with a knife. So Chris scored it on this side, then flipped it, scored it on the other, and then it just flipped right off. So we'll show you what he's doing. He insists that there's easier ways of doing this, but I said that everyone would have a knife in their household, so this would be the easiest way to show you guys. This is what he used, just a regular knife, and it comes off really easy. You're going to use the same process on the stakes, the part that's supposed to stick into the ground if you use these outside. So they're thin on the opposite side. They're not complete plastic through and through. They're sort of hollow. So he's just going to score on the front side a couple of times and then they pop right off. Here's all the pieces once they've been cut off, and here is what you're left with. So there's nothing on the sides and the stakes have been cut off of the bottom. Now all we're going to do is grab some glue or E6000 and glue these pieces together at the bottoms. We flipped it over to the back. This is the hollow side, and he's putting E6000 down the middle. And I think what I'm going to use to stabilize it is just some craft sticks that we had here. I think I got these at Dollar Tree forever ago. They probably still have them. They're just like popsicle sticks, but you can use whatever you have just to stabilize it and make it more sturdy. So he's just going to put E6000 all the way down the middle where we want it joined, then add the popsicle sticks, and we'll let that dry. Again, this is the side you're not going to see once this is hung on the wall. and then you'll just allow this to dry. And this is your end result. I'll let this dry for probably about 6 hours, but the E6000 says about 24. I think it's good. I think it's usually just meant for heavier projects. This one turned out really good. I left it the gray color that it was, but you could spray paint this any color you want. But since my bedroom has light grays and dark grays in it, then I just left it the color it was. Really thrilled with this project. I do have other farmhouse decor Dollar Tree DIYs available on my channel. This is one of them. Over there, the floral arrangement is another. The 3-tiered tray I did as a Dollar Tree DIY. It only cost a couple dollars. And also the wreath and faux window frame is another Dollar Tree DIY. So I will have those linked below if you'd like to check them out. They'll be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this Dollar Tree DIY. Make sure you check out more of my videos. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.